Optimus Gen 3 demonstrates superior running speed, achieving 5.2 miles per hour, a remarkable advancement that exceeds Elon Musk's initial projections. This accomplishment establishes a new benchmark within the field of humanoid robotics. The robotic hand of Optimus Gen 3 is engineered with 22 to 24 degrees of freedom, enabling it to execute complex tasks that showcase Tesla's significant advancements in robotic manipulation. This level of complexity advances the robot's capabilities, bringing it closer to exhibiting human-like dexterity. Moreover, Tesla's transparent strategy, which involves the release of unedited footage and the facilitation of expert verification, differentiates it from its competitors in the robotics sector. This commitment to openness not only enhances credibility but also fosters public trust in their advanced technology. The notable increase in walking speed to 2 to 3 miles per hour underscores Tesla's success in improving robotic mobility, a critical factor for effective operation across diverse tasks. This advancement reflects a significant performance enhancement relative to previous models. The Gen 2.5 robotic hand, featuring 22 degrees of freedom, accurately emulates human hand movements with precision and complexity. This innovation is instrumental for tasks that demand fine motor skills, highlighting Tesla's commitment to enhancing robotic functionality. Furthermore, the introduction of a neural simulation environment illustrates Tesla's strategic approach to training robots within a virtual context. This method minimizes risks while optimizing learning efficiency, drawing parallels to the company's developments in self-driving technology. However, despite its promising capabilities, the design and manufacturability of Optimus represent significant challenges. Musk has emphasized the critical need for simplicity and reliability in production processes, marking the transition from Gen 2 to Gen 3 as a pivotal leap in robotic capability. Additionally, the pricing strategy for Optimus appears to undergo a transformation, shifting from an initial estimate of $20,000 to a more pragmatic figure of $100,000. This adjustment reflects the complexities associated with the manufacturing process and underscores the ongoing challenges in delivering a commercially viable product. Musk has articulated ambitious aspirations for Optimus, including the potential to execute various household tasks by 2026, which illustrates its envisioned versatility. This encompasses everyday activities, such as grocery shopping and lawn mowing. In terms of design, the robot's hand prioritizes safety and efficiency, employing materials that mitigate contamination risks while mimicking human dexterity. This focus is particularly critical for household applications and has necessitated significant engineering resources. Optimus utilizes imitation learning, which enables it to observe and replicate human actions, consequently reducing the need for extensive programming. This feature significantly enhances its adaptability within various environments. Musk envisions Optimus as a prospective remedy for labor shortages in manufacturing, with plans for mass production by 2026 and the potential for cost-effective units. Such innovation holds the capacity to reshape the industry landscape. Optimus is designed for a spectrum of tasks, spanning childcare to household chores, thereby promising to enhance productivity and liberate time for individuals. This remarkable versatility serves as a key selling point. As advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics accelerate, society progresses towards a future where humanoid robots become commonplace. The primary challenge remains how efficiently Tesla can scale its production capabilities. Lastly, the prospective rental program for Optimus, anticipated to cost approximately $200 per month, aims to make advanced robotics more accessible to a broader audience. This initiative allows users to engage with the technology firsthand, enhancing public familiarity with these robotics. Optimus Gen 3 operates at a velocity of 6.8 miles per hour, rendering it suitable for integration within industrial environments without causing disruptions to ongoing operations. This capability exemplifies Tesla's substantial investments in advancing technology and mobility. In contrast to other humanoid robots primarily focused on agility, Tesla places a strong emphasis on the optimization of Optimus's hands. This prioritization enables the robot to execute intricate tasks, including cooking and cleaning, with remarkable efficiency. Elon Musk envisions Optimus Gen 3 as an invaluable asset across multiple sectors, particularly healthcare, where it could play a supportive role in surgical procedures. This perspective underscores the robot's versatility, extending its potential applications beyond mere household functions. The deployment of innovative battery technology featuring 4,680 cells empowers Optimus Gen 3 to function continuously for up to 10 hours without the necessity of recharging. This represents a significant enhancement compared to previous robotic models. Optimus Gen 3 employs sophisticated artificial intelligence systems to learn from real-world experiences, mirroring the learning processes of humans. This advanced capability facilitates intelligent interactions with its surrounding environment. To refine Optimus Gen 3's performance, Tesla gathers human motion data that allows the robot to replicate actions with exceptional precision. This training process involves employees utilizing motion capture suits to meticulously record their movements. The robotic hand of Optimus Gen 3 is engineered for both flexibility and precision, thereby enabling it to execute delicate tasks with a degree of dexterity and smoothness akin to that of humans. Such advancements mark a significant progression from earlier robotic models. Incorporating tactile sensors and miniaturized actuators, Optimus Gen 3 effectively addresses the limitations encountered by robots in the past, enhancing their capacity to perform tasks that require sensitivity and responsive feedback. This technological development permits safe handling of fragile objects. Elon Musk foresees a future in which robots like Optimus Gen 3 render work optional, fundamentally transforming the dynamics of labor and daily life for human beings. Such projections prompt critical considerations concerning the evolving nature of employment. The integration of Optimus Gen 3 into manufacturing facilities has the potential to considerably enhance productivity by automating intricate and repetitive tasks, encompassing roles in assembly and quality inspection. Designed to undertake hazardous tasks that may jeopardize human safety, Optimus Gen 3 is adept at operating heavy machinery in perilous environments. This safety-centric approach contributes significantly to fostering a healthier workforce. Tesla has set an ambitious objective of producing millions of Optimus Gen 3 robots on an annual basis, aiming for widespread application across diverse industries ranging from healthcare to manufacturing. This aspiration signifies Tesla's unwavering commitment to pioneering innovation. Recent advancements in artificial intelligence and sensor technology empower Optimus Gen 3 to function proficiently in real-world settings, adapting to human gestures while executing precise tasks. This capability represents a transformative shift in how we engage with technology. Elon Musk underscores the importance of accessibility concerning Optimus Gen 3, asserting that it should be available to all individuals, not solely the affluent. This initiative aims to democratize robotic assistance, thereby benefiting a wider demographic. Ultimately, the mission of Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 is to liberate individuals from the constraints of repetitive labor, empowering them to concentrate on more enriching aspects of life. This paradigm shift harbors the potential for fostering a more balanced approach to work and personal well-being. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 integrates cutting-edge battery technology, which enables it to operate for durations exceeding those of any humanoid robot currently available on the market. This significant advancement effectively addresses the energy consumption challenges that have historically plagued other robotic systems. In this context, Elon Musk envisions a transformative future wherein robots undertake all forms of physical labor, thereby allowing humans to concentrate exclusively on management and strategic decision-making. Such a paradigm shift could fundamentally redefine societal notions of work and income distribution. Moreover, the potential applications of the Tesla Bot extend far beyond mere productivity enhancements. It could serve as a solution to pressing societal challenges, such as poverty alleviation and improved healthcare access. By fundamentally altering human lifestyles and economic structures on a global scale, this innovation promises significant implications. Furthermore, the weight reduction achieved in the Optimus Gen 2 contributes to enhanced energy efficiency, enabling the robot to execute more intricate actions while maintaining a comparable battery capacity. This modification exemplifies Tesla's ongoing commitment to optimizing the performance of its robotic systems. As for Optimus Gen 3, it is anticipated to incorporate a 4680 battery cell, potentially extending its operational time to 14 hours. This advancement not only illustrates Tesla's dedication to enhancing the endurance and functionality of its robots, but also positions Optimus as a formidable asset in various applications. The forthcoming commercial release of Optimus is poised to empower the robot to undertake an extensive array of household tasks, while also demonstrating potential utility in medical settings. This versatility highlights its promising role as both a domestic aid and a healthcare support companion. Additionally, Optimus' capacity to interpret human gestures facilitates intuitive interactions, which proves particularly beneficial for users facing communication challenges. For instance, simple gestures such as pointing can elicit specific, programmed responses from the robot. Elon Musk posits that as production scales up, the cost of Optimus could decrease significantly, thereby enhancing its accessibility for a broader consumer base. The ambitious objective is to manufacture 1 million units annually, which could spur widespread adoption. The integration of Tesla's state-of-the-art 4680 battery technology endows Optimus with capabilities that are unmatched by existing robotic solutions, thereby enhancing its attractiveness for both commercial and personal applications. Moreover, Optimus is projected to serve as a cost-efficient alternative for executing labor-intensive tasks. This innovation allows owners to recoup their investments swiftly through significant gains in efficiency and productivity. The versatility of Optimus, capable of functioning across various sectors, including restaurants and warehouses, underscores its potential to optimize operations within diverse industries. Such adaptability positions it as a valuable tool in modern business environments. Nevertheless, ensuring the safety and security of a humanoid robot like Optimus is paramount. This presents unique challenges, particularly concerning safeguarding against cyber threats and ensuring safe interactions within human-centric environments. To address these concerns, a multi-layered security architecture is employed, incorporating encryption, real-time monitoring, and AI-driven firewalls. These measures are designed to thwart unauthorized access and ensure the secure operation of the robotic systems. Additionally, the learning capabilities of Optimus introduce distinct challenges related to the prevention of misuse or tampering. Therefore, prioritizing ethical AI development alongside robust cybersecurity measures is essential for the safe deployment of these advanced robotic systems. In conclusion, Elon Musk emphasizes that Optimus will only be released to consumers once it adheres to stringent safety standards. This underscores Tesla's unwavering commitment to prioritizing user safety and ensuring the responsible integration of robotics into everyday life. The introduction of running capabilities in Optimus Gen 3 prompts a critical examination of its endurance in real-world scenarios, such as the act of catching a bus. This development represents a significant advancement within the realm of humanoid robotics. Furthermore, the potential integration of Optimus with public transport and intelligent traffic systems could fundamentally transform daily human activities. This evolution may diminish the necessity for human adaptability in navigating complex urban environments. Additionally, the running efficiency exhibited by Optimus opens a plethora of applications in emergency scenarios, such as firefighting and disaster rescue operations. Robots capable of running and evolving in response to their environments could markedly improve response times and ultimately save lives. Moreover, the latest iteration of the Optimus hand boasts 22 degrees of freedom in its fingers, empowering it to execute precise tasks, including playing musical instruments and adeptly handling delicate components. Tesla's advanced AI system, trained on a vast dataset derived from real-world experiences, equips Optimus with the capacity to comprehend its environment. This distinctive feature differentiates it from competitors who rely on less sophisticated systems. Elon Musk envisions Optimus as potentially the most significant product in human history, with its capabilities for self-replication possibly ushering in unprecedented increases in global productivity. Additionally, Musk's ambitious initiatives encompass deploying robots into space for tasks such as asteroid mining and preparing Mars for human colonization. These aspirations reflect a remarkable progression in the field of robotics. The Tesla bot, Optimus, is meticulously designed to be practical and capable of operating continuously without succumbing to fatigue. This characteristic distinguishes it from many currently available cumbersome prototypes. Musk contends that AI and humanoid robots will not only generate wealth but also equalize access to essential services, such as healthcare. This vision highlights the potential of technology to enhance human flourishing. Musk further posits that the Optimus robot could eventually exceed human productivity by maintaining continuous operation, thereby offering considerable advantages across various sectors. Its ability to function 24/7 without the need for charging signifies a groundbreaking paradigm shift in robotics. The Gen 3 version of Optimus is anticipated to mark Tesla's inaugural foray into commercial robotics, with the capability to execute up to 3,000 distinct jobs. This includes responsibilities within domestic settings and healthcare facilities, underscoring its versatility and practical utility. What further distinguishes Optimus Gen 3 is its ability to interact seamlessly with human tools in genuine environments, unlike many existing robots that necessitate modified setups. This functionality is paramount for its application in daily life. In this context, robot design must prioritize functionality and durability, ensuring that these machines can endure arduous tasks rather than merely focusing on achieving a human-like appearance or executing impressive maneuvers. The ability to perform precise and safe actions remains crucial for robots operating in industrial settings, particularly regarding tasks that involve the lifting and handling of heavy objects on a routine basis. In conclusion, viewer engagement is encouraged, as this video invites insights regarding whether aesthetics or functionality holds greater importance in the design of humanoid robots, thereby fostering a rich community discussion. Traditional industrial robots, which typically necessitate manual programming. Cooking emerges as a practical evaluation of robotic capabilities, as it demands the execution of multiple integrated tasks within dynamic environments. This scenario showcases the robot's adaptability and sophisticated skill set. The potential applications of Optimus in domestic settings extend far beyond culinary tasks, encompassing functions such as cleaning, childcare, and improving safety for elderly individuals. This breadth of functionality positions Optimus as a valuable tool within household environments. Unlike traditional robots that are constrained by pre-programmed tasks, Optimus demonstrates the capacity to adapt spontaneously to unexpected scenarios, thereby providing a distinct advantage in managing everyday household chores. Tesla Bot Gen 3 is designed to undertake various household tasks, such as cooking and cleaning, positioning itself as a desirable option for consumers. Its anticipated launch is set for the upcoming year. Elon Musk's design decisions for the robot consciously eschew a human-like face, aiming to alleviate potential consumer discomfort. This approach acknowledges the influence of the uncanny valley effect, a significant consideration in the field of robotics. One of the most intricate aspects of the robot's design lies in its hands, which incorporate 26 independent motors that emulate human muscle movements. This engineering complexity distinctly differentiates Tesla's robot within the competitive market. Optimus Gen 3 employs a decentralized learning network, facilitating instantaneous knowledge sharing among all robots. This interconnectedness enhances efficiency in task execution and represents a critical component of the robot's ability to adapt to varied environments. The robot acquires cooking techniques by analyzing human actions alongside instructional video tutorials, thereby grasping the subtleties inherent to each task. This method significantly enhances its practical operational capabilities. The communication capabilities of Optimus are underpinned by a sophisticated language model, enabling it to engage in natural dialogue and respond aptly to emotional cues. This feature fosters a personal connection with users, enhancing the overall user experience. Optimus employs machine learning to refine its cleaning tasks, adeptly recognizing objects and adjusting its operational parameters, analogous to how a Tesla vehicle learns from driving behaviors. This adaptability substantially improves its efficiency in handling household chores. The communication functionalities of Optimus facilitate natural interactions, allowing users to perceive it more as a colleague than merely a machine.
This dynamic enriches user engagement and streamlines task management.
Optimus possesses the potential to significantly curtail labor costs while enhancing productivity across multiple sectors, including restaurants and factories. By substituting human labor with efficient robotic assistance, it may fundamentally alter traditional business structures. Moreover, Optimus units could be registered on a shared platform, enabling them to operate during periods of inactivity and autonomously generate income. This innovative approach maximizes productivity and efficiency for their owners. In healthcare, Optimus holds promise as a nursing assistant, capable of monitoring vital signs and providing patient support. This function addresses workforce shortages while enhancing the quality of care, particularly in light of demographic shifts. The industrial potential of Optimus is expansive, as its abilities surpass those of conventional robots by executing tasks that require intricate coordination. This capability could lead to a transformative shift within manufacturing processes. Elon Musk has recently demonstrated the advanced capabilities of Optimus through a kung fu performance, which underscores significant progress in its movement and control. This presentation represents a notable improvement compared to earlier demonstrations that lacked fluidity. In this context, Optimus's training leverages state-of-the-art technologies such as motion capture and reinforcement learning, enabling it to respond adeptly to unforeseen circumstances. This advancement indicates a level of artificial intelligence that surpasses previous expectations. In light of these developments, safety measures, including a crane for stabilization and emergency shutdown systems, were implemented during testing to safeguard individuals in proximity. These precautions are indicative of the inherent risks associated with the evolution of advanced robotics. Moreover, the robot is equipped with cameras and sensors that allow it to respond effectively to visual cues, thus ensuring safety throughout its demonstrations. This capability emphasizes the critical roles of reaction speed and adaptability in the field of robotics. In addition to these capabilities, Optimus contends with competitors such as the Unitree G1, which can execute intricate movements without the need for cables. This comparative analysis highlights the formidable challenges that Tesla encounters in striving to reach similar performance benchmarks. Furthermore, the ability to learn from videos could empower Optimus to rapidly acquire a diverse array of skills, consequently transforming it into a highly versatile universal robot. This method stands in stark contrast to traditional